Namaste Yogis. Today my topic is different types of mudras or the gestures. So for yogis, if you will go in the scriptures of Hatha Yoga, especially Hatha Yoga Pradipika, Gyan Sanhita, mudras, they have a very deep work in our energy flow. How many mudras, and for yogis, which mudras are essential and how to regulate that flow properly. So mudras are based on that working. So in the asanas there are different mudras which are always practiced with pranayama. There is a sequence, and for meditation as well. In this video I'm going to show you those important mudras what you may try, and there is the working. You will find the working in your system. So in very beginning I will show you very simple and very effective Hasta Mudra. Hasta means hand, which is practiced with the hand gesture. So for that, it can be used in any posture. For example, we are holding our Sukhasana or legs cross pose, Bhastrika Pranayama. So what you should do, you should practice this Gyan Mudra. You are touching your index finger with the top of the thumb, and other three fingers are extended. You can practice asana, you can practice pranayama, and you can practice your meditation with this Gyan Mudra, which is also called Dhyan Mudra for meditation. It's very simple, in which your palms are facing up. This is the reason like the energy is reflecting on the palms, and it helps to attain the highest state of meditation. So we should always remember anyone can practice Dhyan Mudra and the benefits are a lot. Second mudra, if this same practice, the index fingers are touched with the thumbs, the other three fingers are fully extended. But if you will turn your palms down with the same variation, it's called Chin Mudra. So simply this same, the index fingers are on the top of the thumbs, but I will turn my palms downward. The Chin Mudra is very effective when you do pranayama, and it's basically all the energy when it reflects to the system. So with Chin Mudra, we are restoring that energy. Means we are not releasing that energy out, we are restoring. This is a very powerful mudra. Now the third mudra I will talk about, Anjali Mudra. Anjali Mudra is very effective and very simple. We all do it, but we are not aware about the meaning. So as we say Namaste, so the same formation in which our hands are together, the fingertips are on each other, it's called Anjali Mudra, and this is very effective for awakening the heart chakra without the thumbs. So to use and to make a mudra, we need thumb. So this is our fire element. The first is next to the thumb, the index finger. It is the air element or Vayu. So if you have Vata Pitta Kapha in 3, if you have Vata Prakriti, or you have very light body, you have a lot of air element in your body, you should practice Vayu Mudra. For Vayu Mudra, I will place my index finger on the base of the thumb, and I will place the top of my thumb on the finger, and other three fingers will be extended. So this is called Vayu Mudra, and they help physically, they help mentally, they have working on your internal side. So now after Vayu, the middle finger it represents. This is also very effective into working. This is our ether, the ether space. So people who have less visualization, or they are not that broad-minded, they should practice with this finger. Yogic world, this Akasha Mudra or ether gesture is used, especially in yogic world. A yogi could enhance the insight, basically to make the senses very light, to have that freedom, enlightenment. After that we can be at ease. Means the brain working is not bothering to the upper body. So basically to make the senses very light. So ether is very important. So the same practice, you place the middle finger, the top of the part on the base of your thumb, and other three fingers are extended. Now we'll come on the next, the earth element, Prithvi Mudra. So earth is on our ring finger. This is for the earth element, and the same when you touch the index finger with your ring finger, we always keep other three fingers extended. It's basically for make the basement. People, when they feel the mind is keep running, they don't have any discipline in their life, they are not well focused. So all those things, they represent the lightness of our earth element, Prithvi Mudra. The Prithvi Mudra will bring a lot of self-discipline. You will be more focused. You will be aware about each and every aspect of your action. Now the most important thing, Jal Mudra. So I will come on this topic, which is you should learn, and it will bring a lot of working, a lot of that you will see a lot of fluctuation in your life. When you start to practice Varun Mudra or Jal Mudra or water element, so this our little pinky, this little finger, this is the element of water. And if you know, we are made of 72% of water inside the body. It has a big role in our system. So basically the physical function, if you feel dehydration, if you feel a lot of energy has been sucked off, you feel empty, you feel down, in all those things you should practice Varun Mudra. It brings that joy, it brings that nutrients, and mentally it brings that coordination, that your mind brings that happiness, that joy inside. So this was my topic today, to introduce the types of mudras, and these are the main mudras which are in Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Swami Ramdev, he also explains the role of mudras in our practice. Yoga with a Dream, she also has a big combination of mudras, a series. So all these practices are for enhancing, to enhance our practice and to grow into spiritual world. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you like, please don't be hesitated to like, put your comments below. I know your progress, and if you have any queries, please feel free to ask. Share the video, and if you're a new person, please subscribe the channel so you always get notifications. Thank you for watching. Namaste.